Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Bendra Yogi, beloved friends. I have learned from so many great people, particularly Andrew Carnegie and Dr. Napoleon Hill, Al Nightingale, Roy Emerson, Ralph Waldo Emerson, Norman Vincent Peale, and so many great Indian philosophers and thinkers, Tulsidas, Kabirdas, Mirabai, Surdas, Rahim. And then I have concluded to this conclusion that whatever you do for others, you do for yourself. Let me repeat. Whatever you do for others, you do for yourself. जो तो को काटा बोए ताऊ तो बोए फूल तो को फूल का फूल है वाको है त्रिशूल. Means if somebody is cursing you, somebody is trying to destroy you, you should not behave the person as bad as they are, but as good as you are. So what you are giving, that is coming back to you. Also you can learn a lesson from the nature. You see, there are sandal fragment woods in the forest, and its attraction is so much that even the most venomous king cobras goes to the tree and wrapped around this trunk and bite it also, because it want to eat away that scent. But the sandalwood is immune. It keeps on giving fragrance, fragrance, fragrance. I am very lucky. In my life, I have met very few great people. If I keep the ranking, then one of the greatest human beings ever born on earth, my Gurudev, whom I call Manav Ratna, Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, he has been much more than anybody can do for me. Today, he has appointed me as Director for Motivation and Yoga to the GVKMRI, and he is giving enough money so that I can meet my both hands entirely with my family. My family is very big, 3 dogs, my wife and daughter, and myself. We are all supported by his greatness and generosity. But as he is helping me, definitely the nature must be helping him also. He has no problem. Being 83 also, he is the fittest, he is the fastest, he plays tennis, and he is doing wonderful job. Then, if I count another great person, right here where I am sitting, this is a 6-acre land, and it will be my pleasure to show you. This is a wonderful orchard. All around you can see the beauty. This is a tennis court. This is a gift of Mr. Pingal Reddy to my daughter. She is a tennis player in the making. And friend, I let you know, Mr. Pingal Reddy has no problem. He is a millionaire. He drives the best car. He has also thrown himself in the arena of becoming a great political leader. He is also projecting his wife, better half, as a great leader in Telangana state, and she is doing very well. She has been always at a very high position. Another person I name in this vicinity is Dr. Satnarayana. He is very kind and generous to me, and he is helping me, and he is helping me, and he is helping me. And as he has helped me, so nature has helped him. His daughter is married to a great engineer. They are both settled in America. They have some 30-40 crores of building. If you say in millions, then they have millions of dollars. She is MBBS from India, and she has done MD in America. They are very well off. His son, Dr. Sunil, he is MBBS, MS and MCH. He is also doing great work. He is in India, and his wife, Dr. Harika, is also doing well. You see, they are very kind and generous. They are not only helping me, but whosoever deserves their help and cooperation and kindness, they are available for that. Because this is also the statement of my Guru and Guide, Swami Vivekananda. What he said? You are blessed that you have been given this great post and position and money and power and wisdom. And this is your responsibility, that you have to share everything to the others who need your help and care. And he also says, they only live who live for others. The people who are handicapped, people who are ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, useless, foolish, try to transform their life. And the same thing done by all the sages and saints and the prophets time to time. to make the world a beautiful place by giving, by donating from various capacities. So dear friends, I also inspire you. I am a fakir. Fakir means a beggarly scholar of the rank of Gautam Siddhartha Buddha or Vivekananda. I am nothing except profound love in my heart. I love everyone. Not only I love mankind, but as I am a fakir and yogi, Virendra Yogi, I have learnt in my life, Atma Sarvbhutesu. Every creature has similar feelings. We are mechanical, we think too much. And the thought is of greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynicism. We never think about kindness, compassion, generosity, honesty, integrity, truth, justice. But I think only the latter one. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole earth is our family. Atma Sarvbhutesu, every creature which nature has given birth, their brothers and sisters and forefathers, we should have respect for them. To this spiritual letter, I believe in this statement. There are about 7.8 million species on earth. I have a lot of affection for everyone there. Even I love snakes. I love every creature because this is not my creation. Nature has created them, so I love everyone. Learn, love all, respect all, find the best in all, be good with all, and think good of all. But simultaneously, I also advise you, friends, avoid loud and aggressive persons. They are vexations to the spirit. That is very, very important. But listen to even dull and ignorant. They too have their stories. And as far as possible, without surrendering, be on good terms with everyone. And if you are such a wise man, you have to be very careful against the crooked people on this planet Earth. So, exercise caution in your business affairs. And you are a child of the universe, not less than trees and stars. And you have a right to be here. And whether it is clear to you or not, no doubt the universe is unfolding as it should. Therefore, keep peace with the nature, what we call God or whatever. And try to be very good to yourself. In the noisy confusion of life, also make peace with your own soul. This world can be very good. If you have learned the lesson to give, to give, to give, and to give you have to build, you have to build, you have to build, you have to build strength, physical, mental, spiritual, emotional. Also you have to build empire of wealth or the intellectuality of the great inventors and scientists, but you have to give. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarvhadrani pasyantu ma kasid dukha bhave. Let all be happy and peaceful. Let all be enjoying perfect wisdom and intelligence to create peaceful world. Asadoma sadgamya, tamsoma jyotigama, mrityuma samgamya. Let me go from darkness to light. Let me go from falsehood to truthfulness. Let me go from mortality, the transitory nature of life, to immortality in our deeds and achievements rendered to the service of mankind. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. With all its shame, drudgery and broken dreams, this world is still a beautiful world. Be cheerful and strive to be happy. But remember, self-discipline is your strength. Calmness of mind is your power. Right thought is your mastery. Let peace be still.